literally a biohazard. Cleaning it out so we can get it sanitized. A mouse died in a water bottle. See my seat?
Oh, buddy. Real race car stop right here.
Anyway, today the goal is to get the TT running. If you guys weren't aware, this thing hasn't been on the channel in a while, and I don't want to spoil it, but it is going to get some use finally. So this thing has been very sad and sitting for a while, and we'll explain our coil packs. We're going to put a new battery in it, get this thing, hopefully we can get it running. Okay. So the gas in here is really old as well, and the reason our ECS tuning plate was off of here is because one of my good buddies, John, who will get his TT on the channel here, but the reason this was off was because his Audi was having some problems, his MK1 TT, and his is actually a really nice example. You know, ours has clearly seen better days, but he borrowed my coil pack, so we have this adapter plate here, and then the Audi R8 coil pack upgrade. God, all the mouse shit around here. This poor car hasn't moved. You know, I know we haven't fully explained it yet, but I'm glad that we finally have kind of a direction for this car and something that's going to be more realistic, and it's going to get more use. And I think ultimately, you know, just for the channel's sake and for my own personal sake, I'm going to have more fun with this. You know, I got the Mazda pickups as well, and the Fox body, and all this other stuff, and it was just like, this is going to be a more practical use for this car, that we're going to get to enjoy it, we're going to get to use it, and I think it's ultimately going to make for a better video series on the channel now. So, I don't know though, this thing has been neglected, and the gas in it's, I don't even, God knows how old. So, hopefully we can get it to run today, and get it in the shop, and then we can talk about it a little bit. Ugh. Just gross. I'm excited for this car. It's going to get the love it deserves, in a sense, and some abuse that it may not deserve, but I don't know if you guys know where I'm going with this yet. What is... Get on there. There's something in that hole. No? I'll put you in a different hole. I don't know what's going on with that. Save you for the end. You're in timeout. Doesn't look super bent up or anything. And this little valve right here is what he really needed. I don't remember exactly what the failure was on his, but this little valve was the ticket. We replaced this, swapped this over, and this stupid thing for a good one, for an Audi variant, is like 150 bucks. Guess you gotta pay to play. We also got a new battery, and I found my snap-on pick. Where does it say? Right there? Yeah, snap-on. Found this under the hood, so this is just a tiny little guy, and this is used to be mounted on here somehow, so see if it starts. God, the first thing that started happening is the fan kicked on. I'm like, God, please no. Oh, moment of truth. go get some fresh gas. Put a little Lucas injector cleaner in it. I'm sure it could use it. I think I know what the problem is. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh, this will be fun. Yes, I'm serious. The mouse problem is bad. Well, it's not going to be perfect under here yet, and I got to figure out how to secure my battery tray, but at least I'm not scared to touch it. We got all the mouse droppings vacuumed up and then got it steam cleaned, used some chemical. So at least right now it's sterile. So we got the engine bay at least sanitized enough to where we can work on it. This thing is absolutely nasty. Cat took a shit in here. Look at all that. It's from mice. It sat again for 2 years. We come back here, this is really gross. We got some spare axles and stuff. We're cleaning it out so we can get it sanitized. A mouse died in a water bottle. This whole thing's going in the trash. Seats are pretty much good. Just letting them dry off now. We pressure washed them, sanitized them, cleaned them. Oh, this is gross. Alright, I'll be honest. I don't know what I'm doing.
It's been a day, you guys. Had to work on an Acadia, so you know how that always goes. Did a few test drives, an oil change, went and washed the Mountaineer. My buddy Andy's on his way here right now. He owns a commercial cleaning business, and we're basically just going to completely incinerate the inside of the Audi. So we'll get going with that as soon as he gets here.
There he is to save the day. Here he is, the man of the hour, saving the day. Roll your window, fatty. That's your present.
Ooh,
Try one of
what's
those. It's like a healthy energy drink.
Healthy one?
Yeah.
So probably tastes like shit.
Yeah, they're not horrible.
I'll try it. let me get fat quick. That'll turn out great.
Yeah, look at how gross that is.
It's literally a biohazard.
Let's see her. That looks pretty clean. That looks deceiving, man. That's not even that bad.
It's bad because the water's supposed to be clear. And a lot of it was in the hose.
Yeah, I suppose a lot of it was on the other end.
Go grab that side. You can even see how nasty that water is.
Yeah, this side was, I mean, it's on my fingers.
And then here's your
Focus,
hairball that came
which is
out.
gross. Oh yeah, nice little. Oh, that's gross.